Are you looking to grow your wealth and take control of your financial future? The stock market can seem overwhelming, but today I'll break it down for you. In this video, we'll explore 5 proven stock market strategies that are perfect for beginners. By the end, you'll feel more confident about taking your first steps into investing. Let's get started. The first strategy is dollar cost averaging. This involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the stock's price. Why does this work? It helps you avoid the risks of trying to time the market and reduces the impact of market volatility. Over time, this strategy averages out your costs per share, giving you a stable foundation for growth. Next, we have index fund investing. Index funds track the performance of a market index like the S&P 500. They're great for beginners because they're low cost, diversified, and historically perform well over the long term. With index funds, you're essentially investing in a little piece of the entire market. Third is dividend investing. Dividends are payments companies make to their shareholders. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you can generate a steady income stream while still benefiting from capital appreciation. This strategy is ideal for building passive income. If you're looking for higher returns and can tolerate some risk, growth investing might be for you. This strategy focuses on investing in companies expected to grow faster than the market average, like tech startups or innovative companies. While these stocks can be volatile, they offer significant long-term potential. Finally, the buy and hold strategy. This involves purchasing quality stocks and holding them for the long term, regardless of short-term market fluctuations. This strategy capitalizes on the stock market's tendency to grow over time. Patience is key here. Think of it as planting a tree and letting it grow. Let's recap. The 5 proven stock market strategies for beginners are dollar cost averaging, index fund investing, dividend investing, growth investing, and buy and hold. Each of these strategies has its strengths, so pick the one that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy-to-understand finance tips. Which of these strategies will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.